So let us do a walkthrough of this car. So firstly, the damage part. I think the bonnet is hurt. Also the fender, the bumper, indicator lighter here, and somewhere here. So these parts are hurt, but otherwise the car looks pretty straight. Everything else on the front looks so good. The paint is also good. So it just needs a bit of a wash. I'll do that. Otherwise, so it has the bottle caps. It is. Overall, a pretty good car. There's your side profile. So as we come to the back, we did some shady stuff here, but we're gonna fix that. It's nothing major. And then on the rear bumper, it has a couple of cracks. Definitely won't be replacing this anytime soon, but in the future, or if someone wants to sponsor, you are more than welcome. So this is the back. Then coming on to this side, which I feel is the best looking side. So we are busy monitoring the temperature, getting it to run so that we see if, yeah, I'm not sure what this light means, and if anybody can tell me what this light means, I'd really appreciate it. So yeah, otherwise it's running now, and here's the interior, how it looks like. Obviously the back seat is out. The dashboard does have cracks, but otherwise it's a clean car. Electric windows, which works, by the way. Yeah, so we're gonna try and remove all of this gunk on the steering wheel. I don't know what the previous owner was doing, but this is just disgusting. Jesus. So I already tried to remove it this side and it's looking a little bit cleaner. So yeah, I don't feel comfortable touching this. Sure. Okay, I tried and it's looking much better. So we'll clean it again next time to make sure, but otherwise so far it's looking much better, much cleaner. Even the gear lever here and the handbrake, so it's looking much better.
Another one.